going on, guys? It's just a dude with a lude. I'm showing y'all my 98 Prelude. Got it about 6 months ago. I live in Louisiana. I drove to Mississippi to go get it. Had a 99 Mustang GT. And I sold it as soon as I saw this. And I drove and I went and got it. I didn't know much about it before I went to go get it. And the people that I got it from didn't know too much about it either. I hadn't done too much to it myself, but just a couple of small things here and there. Bear with me now, I gotta get the AC compressor fixed. When I got it, it had 175,000 miles on it. Previous owner swapped the motor, so I don't know how many miles it's got on the motor, but runs perfect. Motor. Got an F20B swapping. On 18-inch racing Hot wheels, got 10 coilovers all the way around, got a full exhaust. I don't know the name brand of it. Got a Skunk 2 intake. Driver's door doesn't go down, so you need a motor for it. But got it, and I love it way more than I love my Mustang. I get way more compliments on this one. If you guys have any recommendations on mods, please let me know. Just whatever you think, put down in the comment section, and subscribe, like the video, share it, and I appreciate it. Y'all have a good day now.